Hey guys, how you doing? I want to make a quick video just to talk to you briefly about food and nutrition for weight loss. And so I've been getting asked a lot of questions lately about, hey, how was you able to lose weight? What kind of diet are you on? And so first of all, I don't particularly like to use the word diet because it typically is used in a negative context, and it also kind of indicates the short term. And so what I was aiming for was more of a lifestyle change. And I created a meal plan for myself. Now everybody is different. So there is no one diet fits all. So it was interesting. So I was talking to the guy in the gym today. And so one of the things, I shared with him was exactly what I told you about losing the 15 pounds just by changing my meals. And so he looked at me and he says, man, my wife has me on a kale diet and I can't lose any weight. And I said to him, I said, well, when's the last time you've been to the doctors? And when have you gotten a checkup? He said, oh, it's been a couple years. So I told him, I said, well, that's the first thing you need to do. First thing is you need to understand where your deficiencies are. So it's not about a diet to starve yourself. It's about feeding your body the proper nutrition that it needs to fix the ailments on its own. Because what happens over time is that we start eating a lot of these foods that are bad for us, and it starts destroying our DNA. So he mentioned to me today, he says, once you get over 50, everything's downhill from there. And I told him, I said, no, it doesn't have to be. You see, you can still correct that, and it's through your nutrition. So the first thing, you have to know your body. Because like I said, there's not one diet for everybody. Me, myself, I was high in estrogen. And so you would think, if I were to look at a healthy diet, some people say, oh, you can eat almonds and drink bottled water and eat soy. Well, that would be wrong for me, because soy actually elevates your estrogen. And also they find out that there's actually estrogen in the plastic bottles that they use for water. And so, and also almonds also raise your estrogen. And so that is horrible for guys. And so therefore, you would think that this would be healthy for you. So you have to understand your body, you have to understand your deficiencies, and you have to understand how to fix those deficiencies so that your body can start to repair and fix your organs and get your metabolism working back again. So I just wanted to make that quick video to point out that fact. And so I'll be making some more videos in the future. And so if you got any questions, let me know. Thanks.